Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how exciting and fast-paced it can be. Today, we're breaking down a simple yet essential guide: how to send Bitcoin from your Trust wallet to Robinhood. This process is straightforward, but we'll cover it step by step to ensure you do it safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, Robinhood offers easy trading options, and moving your Bitcoin there can help you manage your portfolio better or take advantage of new features in 2025's crypto landscape. First things first, make sure you have both the Trust Wallet and Robinhood apps installed on your device. You'll also need some Bitcoin in your Trust Wallet and the Robinhood wallet address ready. Double check that it's correct to avoid any mishaps. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Bitcoin wallet. You'll see your balance. Tap on it to access the Send option. Step 2. Hit the Send button, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. This is where you paste your Robinhood Bitcoin wallet address. Find this in your Robinhood app under the Wallet section. Step 3. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Remember, crypto fees can vary, so check the network fees up front to avoid surprises. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address, amount, and fees before confirming. Once you're good, hit send and wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes on the Bitcoin network. A quick tip: always use a secure network, like Wi-Fi, and enable two-factor authentication on both apps to protect your assets. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, just give it time or check the Blockchain Explorer for updates. And there you have it. Your Bitcoin is now on its way to Robinhood. This method keeps things simple and secure in 2025's evolving crypto world. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and happy trading.